Okay, so as you can see on letter A, I will not follow this pattern because they are writing like this. Okay. So for me, if I am going to look at it, it's more like multiplication, right? Similar to multiplication, so it is confusing. Okay? So I am not going to follow this pattern because it's confusing. It's more like multiplication, not composite. But I am going to write like this. Okay? So F is composed of G of 3. Okay? F is composed of G of 3. So what does it mean? So I have to, first step, I have to know what is the value of G of 3. Okay, again, first step, I have to know what is the value of G of 3. Okay, so I'm going to find G of 3 first. So 3x plus 1. Okay, so G of 3 is equal to 3 times 3 plus 1. So we have 10. Okay, so now I know the meaning, the value of G of 3. So now I can now get the answer about F is composed of G of 3. Okay, so the meaning of the value of G of 3 is 10. Okay, let us remember that. Take note. So the solution will be, okay, I will write the expression first. So again, our x is 10 now because G of 3 is 10. Okay, minus 3 over 2. So we have 7 over 2, or you can write in decimal if only 0.5. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. F is composed of G of 3. Okay, screenshot. Or better to practice now your writing because you are going to go back here on 22nd. Okay, practice your handwriting now. Okay, take note, I am recording this class. So next week, we are going to review everything. Okay, I'm going to give a lot of exercises. Okay, so please do not complain. Okay, next. Letter B. Okay, opposite. G is composed of F of 3. So reverse. So at first, we have to find the value of F of 3. Okay. F of 3 is, okay, F of x is x minus 3, right? Okay. Over 2. So F of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2. So f of 3 is equal to 0 over 2 or 0. So now we can get the value of G composed of f of 3. Yes, G is composed of f of 3. Okay, we know that it is 0. So 3 times 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, so it's equal to 1. So the value of G functions, G composed of f of 3 is equal to 1. Okay, next. Okay, letter C. Now I'm going to answer until letter D only, okay? And then I will jump to number 6 because number 2 and 3 have the same pattern, okay? So I'm sure you can follow it. But on number 6, I will teach. Okay, letter C. F is composed of G of 6. Okay, so first let us find the value of G of 6. So we have 3 times 6 plus 1. So we have 18 plus 1. We have 19. Okay, so next. Okay, so we have 6 minus 3 all over 2. So we have 3 over 2 or 1.5. Yes. What? Ah, yes, yes. No, I am on letter F. Ah, yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you for reminding me. Oh, at least I know that you are awake. Okay, 19. Okay, thank you. Who's that? Isari, right? So 19 minus 3. Okay, I will remember that. So 19 minus 3 is 16 over 2. Okay, or 8. Okay. Okay, next. Letter D. Okay. G is composed of f of 6. So let us find first f of 6. So we have, this one. This one is 1.5. Okay, so f of 6. So we have 3 over 2 or 1.5. So the next one. Okay, so G is composed of f of 6. Okay, 3x plus 1. So we have 3 times 1.5. How many is 3 times 1.5? So we have 3. How many? Anyone can answer? Okay, 4.5. Okay, 4.5 plus 1. So we have 5.5 or 5 and 1/2. Okay, so again, it is for you now to study by yourself for number 2 and 3. Okay, anyway, the answers are at the back of your book to find out if you are correct or not. Okay, so I'm going to answer number 6. Okay, number 6. Okay, so h of x, we have 10 minus x, and then k of x is equal to 20 minus x. Okay, please wait. I'm going to drink some water. Okay, so find an expression for h composed of k of x. Okay, for letter A, okay, h is composed of k of x. So it means that we are going to use the functions of h. Okay. Okay, to avoid confusing okay, you can write like this. Okay, after you see the question, you can write h is composed of k of x, right? You can write 20 minus x. Okay? H is composed of 20 minus x because k of x is 20 minus x. So our answer here, so 10 minus 20 minus x, right? Don't forget the parenthesis because it has negative. Okay, if positive, no problem, but it has negative. So 10 minus 20 plus x. Okay, negative 20, negative times negative, positive. So we have negative 10 plus x or x minus 10. Okay, you can rearrange if you want. Okay, screenshot. So starting next Tuesday we will do a lot of exercises. Okay, next letter. Letter B. Okay, k is composed of h of x, or you can write k is composed of 10 minus x. Alright, so what is the answer? So we had 20 minus 10 minus x. Okay, 20 minus 10 plus x. We have 10 plus x or x plus 10. Okay. Next, number or letter C. So k is composed of k of x also, double, okay? Or you can write k is composed of itself, okay, 20 minus x. So how to answer this? So 20 minus, 20 minus x. Okay, so double. So we have 20 minus 20 plus x. So this is 0. So we have x. Okay. Next one, number 7. Okay, so h of x is equal to x squared, and then k of x is equal to 12 over x. So find an expression for h is composed of h of x. Letter A. Or h. Yes. Sure. Okay, so how are we going to write this? So place x into x squared, so it will become like this. Okay, so x squared and then quantity squared. Okay, so going back to the laws of exponent, or if you want, you can write x squared times x squared. So x power of 4. Okay, next one, letter B. Okay, h is composed of k of x. Or we can write as h is composed of 12 over x. So our h is x squared, so 12 over x, okay, power of 2. Okay, so what is 12 times 12? 144, am I correct? Yeah, okay. 144 over x power of 2. Next, let us see. So k is composed of h of x, or k is composed of x power of 2. Eh? Wait, am I correct? H is composed of 12 over x. And then why did I okay. Alright, so our k is 12 over x. Okay, so it will become x. Okay. Then finish. Okay. Because we are changing only the x, right? Next, last, on number 7. Okay. K is composed of k of x. Or k is composed of 12 over x. Okay, so 12 over 12 over x. Then get the reciprocal. So 12 times x over 12. Am I correct? Yeah. And then do the cancellation. So it is equal to x. Exercise 21D. Let's check. Double check. Number 7. Yes. Okay. I'm correct. Okay. We are correct. Are we finished? No, not yet. Okay. Okay, maybe I will use another. Okay, let's go back to number 5. Okay. In each case, find an expression for f composed of g of x. Write your answer in as simply as possible. Okay, number 5. So, letter A. F of x is equal to x squared. And then g of x is equal to 3x plus 4. The question is find the f function of g of x or composed of g of x. So for this one, okay, f is composed of 3x plus 4. Okay, so we have 3x plus 4 quantity power of 2 or 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. Okay, so we have a 9x power of 2 plus, how many is this? 12x plus 12x plus 16. 9x power of 2 plus 24x plus 16. Hey, this is the last topic na. Next, letter B. Okay, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. And then g of x is equal to 3x minus 4. So find the f functions of g of x. Or f is composed of 3x minus 4. Okay, so we have 2 times 3x minus 4 plus 3. Okay, this one, right? F. So that's why it has plus 3. Then we have 6x minus 8 plus 3 is 6x minus 5. Okay, screenshot. Okay, next letter C. Don't worry, I will teach until letter D only. Okay, so f of x is equal to x over 2 plus 4. And then g of x is composed of, equals 4x minus 2. Now again, the question is find the functions of g of x, or f is composed of g of x. Or you can write f composed of 4x minus 2. Okay, so we are going to use f. Alright, so we have 4x minus 2 all over 2 plus 4. So we can get the factor of this. Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 plus 4. Okay, 2x minus, plus 3. So if you think I speak very fast or I teach too fast, so in YouTube there's a settings, right, to make it slow. Okay. So you can set up, okay, in what speed do you want. Next, okay, last one, letter D, and then we're finished. Again, next week, I'm going to give a lot of exercises. Okay, f of x is equal to 12 minus x, and then g of x is equal to 2x. 2x plus 8. So f is composed of g of x, or f is composed of 2x plus 8. Okay, so we have 12 minus 2x plus 8. Okay, so we have 12 minus 2x minus 8. It becomes minus. Why? Because negative times positive is negative. Okay, so let's rearrange. Negative 2x plus 12 minus 8. Okay, negative 2x, how many is this? Plus 4. And that's it.